and welcome to today's tip. Now I've got a really funky tip here using distress inks. Now I've cut this out using my paper cutter just by positioning and moving my blade. I can pull it out actually and sort of move it where I want it to be. I've just cut out this really simple square. I've got a piece of paper mounted on some cardstock, and all I'm going to do is basically slowly build up a little bit of colour by colouring in one square and then moving to the next. I'm just going to start with any random sort of distress ink. This one's worn lipstick. It's nice to get all your pinks or all your blues or all your greens rather than trying to use different colours. I think it looks better with just one colour, and then you have different tones, but you could try as many colours as you wanted to. And then all I'm doing is just filling in the squares, moving my border around just slightly and then moving on to a different colour. So I'll carry on and do all of this, and then I'll fast forward it so you can see what it looks like at the end. So just a slow rotation, and I've got 4 colours, so it's going to be 4 rotations all the way around, okay? There we go. So there we have the square. I went a bit wild there and have accidentally gone over the top, but I'll cover that up with my sentiment. I haven't really bothered worrying too much about the centre, hence why there's a little bit of a lighter colour in there. I haven't inked it, I've just literally done all of the corners. This one could be shuffled across a little bit further, but it still gives you the same effect. I'm going to finish this off with a lovely black embossed wildflowers stamp right the way through the middle of this. Okay, so unfortunately I didn't let my distress inks dry particularly well, so it looks a little bit all mushy because I couldn't get it off. So I thought I would just show you another one that I've done with the exact same effect. This is just on scrap paper, but it does give the same effect and it looks absolutely beautiful. Just gonna add a little thanks a bunch on there onto my card if it was the final one. And I really love how this has come out. I'm going to mount that one because I think the scrap one is actually better than the other one that I was doing. I hope you've enjoyed this tip and I look forward to seeing you next time.